Nag-send sa mga kuwan. Si kuwan. Tapos si Bukog si Ding. Oh, karon.
Nakihaplas na gusto.
Pwede ba yung laod? Bawal na laod eh.
Sasakyan lang. Ano ko na dala?
Sa manantala. Nakihaplas na daw.
Yung sasakyan dito ko. Wala tiwasa kay Dirset is mo duwa nimo kontra.
Okay na sir. Kay ano na yan? Kay Bulls. Para kay Ayan.
First position ng X4. Wow! What a great move! From the air, Palason. Two zero. Too strong by Duque. Now Espiritu Santo. Back to Espiritu Santo. Yes, on Espiritu Santo. Now 4-0. 4-point lead now X4. This is our second game, second match. Papa Bells says, X4, Malakad. Airball. Now Arar. Outside. Bow. Foul on number 22 on X4.
22?
Pensa!
22 sa ano? Sa
On Papa Bells.
22 no?
Bawal kasi yung
Oh, 22.
ito, may isa pa dito.
Santos? Samol.
5-0.
Person top.
5-point lead now. FX4. Duque.
Nakating!
Oh, what a great move. What shot by Makalalad. Now the king. Arar. Steal by Duque. Arar again. Take the shoot. Air Balason. What a great move by Balason.
Siyam lang sila no?
Mamaya third quarter.
Gordon! Pinasa na yun.
Now Duque. Carried by Balason. Makalalad again. Pump. Makalalad short. Nice defense on Vitores. 8 minutes. 72. Vitores. To the king. Open jump. Too strong.
Push!
Now Duque.
Push Duki!
Stop. Pump. Makalalad. Pull on jumper of the agents. Short. Rebound by RR. RR now. It's 3-4. RR drive. RR goes to cross. Foul.
Plus foul rep.
Foul on number 19 on Duque.
Second.
Second team foul on Papa Bells. First on Duque. 7 minutes and 42. Vitores. 10 to shoot. Espiritu Santo. El Balason in and out. Rebound bigay. Now Duque. Nice slasher. Duque foul. Foul on number 15. Vitores. First on Vitores. First team foul. FX4. 7 minutes and 19 seconds of the first quarter. Papa Bells versus FX4. 2 free throw shot on Duque. Nice shot coming from Duque. Four, 7. 3-point lead now on FX4. RR. Carried by Duque. Paso Espiritu Santo. Fake. Espiritu Santo. Open jump. Espiritu Santo. 9-4. 5-point lead FX4. Duque. Carried by Air Balason. Wow! What a great move on the big guy. 6-9.
Dito niya. Pili doon. Malaki. Pili doon.
Number 1. Eugenio.
Tag-isa. Iwan ka, team.
Time out! On four. This is our last game. On All Filipino Cup.
Dahil dito, number ko lang nilagay yun. 7.
Inbounding the king to RR. Espiritu Santo. The king, Faith, his state, 14 to shoot. Wow! What a great move for the king! Now Duque. Samoy. Eugenio. Too strong. Rebound on Air Balasan. To RR. RR now. RR drive. RR bro. Too strong. Rebound on the white on Papa Bells.
Iwan ka, team.
Hirap na pili.
To Duque. Pop a jump. Short. Rebound on the king. 14 to shoot. 10. Makalalad. Too strong. Rebound again on Papa Bells. 14 to shoot. Duque. Short again. Eugenio. Too strong. Rebound on Air Balason. Now 5 minutes and 20 seconds. 6 against 11. 5-point lead on FX4, the king. 10 to shoot. RR big, is late. RR long 2, too strong. Rebound again on Espiritu Santo. Wow. Foul on number 1 on Eugenio.
First foul, 13 foul.
First personal foul on the big man, Eugenio. 13 foul on the Papa Bells.
Samad.
11 to 6. 5 minutes. Rebound the king. Fake, king. To show the king again. Fake, the king drive, block behind by Makalalad. Wow, the king. 13 to 6, back to 7-point lead. On FX4, what a move. Yes, nice drive. 8-13. 5-point lead now on FX4, 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Sarar. Too strong. Rebound on Samoy. Samoy. Steal by Arar. Arar now. Arar. Guarded by Makalalad. Arar drive. Arar pass to Centro Santo. 15 to 8. Back to 7-point lead on FX4. 4 minutes. Duque. 14 to shoot. Eugenio. Airball. Rebound again on the king. On the king drive. Coast to coast. The king stop up. Mistake. Stop up. Looking for. Steal on Duque. Duque now. It's 2-1. Duque stop. Duque. Duque drive. Duque. 10-15. Back to 5-point lead on X4. 7-6 Speedo. Now Balason. Water, 14 to shoot. Yes, on Di Torres. 17 to 10, 3 minutes. 7-point lead on MX4. Now Duque. Makalalad, still by Di Torres. Di Torres on the king. The king is 3-on-2, 3-on-3. The king stop up. The king, 1-on-1 may Makalalad. Stop the king. Bang! Basket count and 1 on the king. Foul on number 7 Makalalad. Warning on Papa Bells. 14 fouls on the Papa Bells.
10 foul. Makalalad. First.
First personal foul on Makalalad.
Tim! Tubig! Oh!
20 to 10. 10-point lead now. FX4. Now Duque.
Challenge! Challenge!
Makalalad. Back to Duque. Time out. Oh.
Pre, yung 87 mo, napilido nun. 87. 87, yan. 87. Ito si ano? Eroila.
Wala kaya plus ko.
Iya ikatiguang na.
Oo.
May plus kami, patay kayo. Plus 5. Siyam lang. Hindi, plus 10 daw kami.
Honor. The King.
Santo eh.
Nilambakan niyo yung nakala.
40 to shoot. Steal. Vitoras.
Patay! Bye-bye!
Tap by Eroina. Duque. It's 2-2. Duque. Whoa! What a move coming from Duque. 20 to 12. The King again. Stop up. Too strong. Rebound by Balason. Too strong. Rebound again. Espiritu Santo. Balason all the way. Balason. Now 22 to 12. 1 minute and 38 seconds. 10-point lead. On the foul.
Balason, first.
Foul on Balason.
Second team foul.
First on Balason. Second team foul. MX4. 1 minute and 31 seconds. 10-point lead on MX4.
Ready nga, huwag kang galit.
Duque. 10 to shoot.
Release! Tim, pikan kayo! Pick kayo!
Samoy. 5 to shoot. Irola. Foul.
Balason.
Foul on Air Balason. 13 foul on MX4. First on Balason. Second on Balason. 1 minute and 13.
Baba, Roto, baba!
Arnold.
Basic!
Now, rebound by Eroida. Air Balason against Gate. Eroida. It's Duque. 3 on 4. 4 on 2. Duque to Makalalad. Eroida. Yes, on Eroida. 14 to 22. 8-point lead now. On Earthmore. Espiritu Santo. Hey. Yes, on Espiritu Santo. Back to 10-point lead Earthmore. 30 seconds. Duque. Kani bayaran.
Sige, ano mo?
Close Kindol!
20 seconds.
Lashot!
King. Wow, the King. 8 seconds.
Pensa naman kayo, huwag puro pensa! O, di ba?
And save ball. 40 to shoot. 14. Balason. Ibabay na ko.
Hirap itong basahin ang apelido ng Papa Boss. Walang ganitong uniforme. Pangit.
Ibabay na ko. Steal by Lim.
Balason.
Yes, on Balason. 8 minutes and 50 seconds. Santos.
Side!
Biray. Ibanon Santos. Short. Out. Masalo.
Dito tayo!
Basalo now. Steal by Biray. It's 3-on-3. Biray. Stop up. Nakwa. Good move. Nakwa. Basket count on Nakwa. Foul on the Wonder Boy. First on the Wonder Boy. First team foul on the score. Monostro against Nakwa. 8 minutes and 20. 17-28. Back to 11-point leader X4. 8 minutes.
Basket.
Wonder Boy to the veteran. Pasalo. Malason. Yes, on Malason. 30 against the 17. 40 to shoot. Foul. 10 to shoot. Steal. Hey. Foul. Oh, double foul on Nakwa and Basalo. Same ball.
First personal.
First personal foul Basalo. FX4 ball. FX4 arrow. FX4 ball. Balason. Too strong. Same ball. 14 set. Shot clock 14. 6 minutes and 23 seconds. Wonder Boy. Two, Piran. Oh, 10 to shoot. Oh, foul.
12.
Foul on number 12, Arroyo. Second team foul on Papabels first against Arroyo. Two free throw shots to Basalo. 31 to 17. 6 minutes and 10 seconds.
Third team foul. Third na yun. Papabench. Third team foul. Wala na shoot? Sara?
Now Arroyo. Looking for Biray. Nakwa. To Biray. Fake. Biray drive. Back to Nakwa. Short. Arroyo fake. Black. Foul. Foul on number 30 on Balason. Third personal foul on Balason. 13 foul on FX4. Two free throw shot. Give it to Arroyo.
Boy, shoot go! Malas yung sa ano ah. Okay, Sander ha, Island.
Nakwa. Santos. Yes! On Santos. 19 to 31. Basalo. Balason. Too strong. Rebound on Santos. 5 minutes and 20. Biray. Carried by... Oh! In and out. Rebound on the... Veteran. Loud. 5 minutes. To Basalo. Lin. 40 to shoot. Five. 24-second variation. 4 minutes and 40 seconds. 31 against 19.
Baliton pala to. Si Baliton pala yan.
Arroyo, 1-1 against the veteran. Arroyo, escape, Arroyo, fake. Pass to the Biray, Biray, fake. Side step, Biray, short. Rebound on the veteran. To Basalo. Lim. 40 to shoot. Basalo, 1-1 Benacqua. Yes, Lim. 4 minutes. Baliton. Foul. Foul on Rock'n'Roll Lim. Warning for penalty. FX4. First on Rock'n'Roll Lim. Inbounding Aqua. Biray. Baliton. 10 to shoot. Biray. Open shot. Favorite shot. Again in and out on Arroyo. 21 to 33. 12-point lead now. Ever score. 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Now Lim. Guarded by Baliton. 1-1 by Baliton. To the veteran. Load. Guarded by Santos. 40 to shoot. Now Biray. Biray to Baliton. Baliton. Oh no way. Now rebound on Lason. Foul. Foul on Biray. Warning for penalty on Papa Bells. Second personal foul against Biray. Now Wonder Boy. Balason. 40 to shoot. 10. Foul. Foul on Nako. Penalty.
Second personal foul na kuha.
Second personal foul against Son Nako. Papa Bills now in penalty.
Walang shot.
Two minutes and 47 seconds, 33 against 21. 34 against 21. 13 back point lead on Apex 4. Arroyo. Rebound on Basalo.
Sino tumira? Kanina?
Nice pass. Arroyo coming from Naqua. 23 to 34. Back to 11 point lead on Apex 4. 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Balason, stop up. Still on Baliton. Baliton, side step. Oh, Baliton. Time out. Oh. One and one on Arroyo. 14 to shoot. 10. Balon Santos. Penalty.
Penalty.
Kailan niya?
First pa lang.
First personal foul on number 24 on Santos.
Walang bote. Wala pa na.
1 minute and 50 seconds.
Diba?
35 to 25. 10-point lead against FX4. Naqua. Nice steal by the veteran. Now Lim. 1 minute and 30. Balason. 37 against 25. 1 minute and 26 seconds. Now Baliton. Tunakwa. Santos. Steal again by Pasalo. Arroyo. Stop up. Block by Balaso. Pasalo. Yes, on Baliton. 37-27. 1 minute. Now Lim. Guarded by Baliton. Oh, Lim. 39-27. 50 seconds. Gray. Now the veteran stop, pull on jump. Yes, on the veteran, 41-27, 25 seconds. Arroyo. Santos. Yes, on Santos, 15. Nine seconds. Arroyo. Yes, on Arroyo, 31-31. And
Plus 5 na kayo, plus 5 na kayo. Plus 5 na kayo. Wala tayo yan, wala pilihan. Wala tayo pilihan. 5 minutes sir, sub man tayo, wala din ang gagawa. 5 minutes sub tayo.
Nakuha! Bukay mag... Isa pa!
41-36, 5-point lead now on FX4. Now, Alba, Eroyla. Too strong. Rebound on the king. 9 minutes and 40 seconds, third quarter.
Alba ba yan? 25?
Now, Warar. Back to Warar. 40 to shoot. Short. Rebound by Eroyla. Eroyla. Tumakalalat. Alba. Too strong. Foul. Foul on number 15. On Di Torres. First on Di Torres. Second on Di Torres.
First team foul.
First team foul. FX4. Our score 4-1. Still 36. 9 minutes. Third quarter. 37-41. 4-point lead now. FX4.
1 point Ramos. Yes, 1 point Ramos.
Ready, rebound. Ramos. Short. Oh, jumps. Steal again by Lim.
Green. Yap sa ato.
Now the king.
Naglamila.
Paswarar. Di Torres. 10 to shoot. 10. Oh, rock and rolling. 43 against 237.
Lima.
Gitna lang, kita isa.
Eroyla.
Iyay ka. Box.
Rebound on the king. 8 minutes and 20 seconds. Back to 6-point lead on X4. 43 against 237. Lim.
Hindi na, matay sa doon! Angat na!
8 minutes.
Angat na!
Paparay. Paparay ka.
Awalba. Steal by Arar.
Ay, kaganar.
The king. Espiritu Santo. Rebound by Makalalat.
Harap.
Eroyla. Alba. Turnover on Papabel. 7 minutes and 46 seconds. Only 6-point lead. Again, FX4. 43-37. Now, Arar.
Tulak mo, Jobs.
40 to shoot. Lim. 10. 5. Rebound on Jobs. Eruela.
Iwan ka.
Back-to-back turnover on Papa Bell, 7 minutes.
4 turnovers na tayo.
43 to 37, still 6-point lead on FX4.
Hinga. Dahin na to.
Ling. 14 to shoot.
Baba.
Jumps.
May kita.
Black by the King. Nice defense on the King. 6 minutes and 30 seconds.
Jump ka ba. Hinerar.
Ling. Aral. 14 to shoot. 10.
Kaya.
5.
Tira.
Still by Rona.
Iwan ka, Jab. Agkabay.
Alba.
Kita isa. Please, pasok.
Back to Eruela. 14 to shoot.
Box out. Guy.
Arar, 1-1. Arar, foul. Oh, offensive foul. Oh, Arar, 5 minutes and 46 seconds.
Babaar.
43 against 37.
Baba.
It's a 3-0 run against FX Sport.
Gila. Bisa.
Now Alba.
Dali isa dong ha.
Still by Ling. Foul.
Bounce.
Foul on number 5 on Alba. First team foul on Papa Balls. First on Alba.
Kailan siya?
Dore pulihan din yan. Kasi pag parang nasa tan parang tulo. Dua lang ang pulihan niya.
Kinuha na siya?
Si makalalad lang kasi si Soto.
Lumawa dong, Larissa. Lumawa dong, Larissa.
Rebound by Eruela.
Lumawa dong, Larissa. Bawa.
Eruela.
Kinuha.
Box out.
Short.
Tuwa na 200%.
5 minutes. 43 to 37.
Foul.
Short. Rebound by Makalalad. Still again by Espiritu Santo. Arar.
Ay, mo kami ha. 100 turnover. Nice.
Time out. Papa Bells. 45 to 37. Back to 8-point lead on FX4. Alba. Nakwa. 14 to shoot. 14. Alba now.
Isa lang, Jab.
Lead. Stop. Pump. In and out. 4 minutes. Alba. Rebound on the King. 9-point lead on FX4. 46 to 37. Arar. Tumasalo. Arar again. To the King. Steal by Alba. To Duque drive. Duque short. Ibang by Alba. Fake. Foul. Foul on number 12 on the King. First personal foul on the King. Second team foul. FX4. 3 minutes and 42. Third personal foul on FX4. 38-46. To shoot. 10. Yes on the king. 48 to 38. 10-point lead again on Lepex Sport. 3 minutes and 10. Japs. Alba. Back to Japs. Short again. Ball by Bastalo. To Ling. Short. Nakwa. To Duque. Foul. Foul on the king. Warning for penalty, FX4. Second personal foul on the king. (39 to 38). 48. Back to 9-point lead. On FX4, 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Espiritu Santo, short. Rebound by Ramos. 14 to shoot, 14.
Jeff, tulak mo lang labas. Tulak mo lang labas.
2 minutes.
Pero mag-perfect mo ito. Hindi mo gamita, 3
10 seconds.
minutes na.
Espiritu Santo. Aral. Basket count and 1 on Aral. Foul on Duque.
Okay.
Now Pamabel, second team foul.
Second personal foul.
Second personal foul on Duque.
Araw basket ka.
48 to 39, 1 minute and 52, 49 to 58, 49 to 39, back to 10-point lead, FX4. Duque. Basalo. Oh, Basalo, 53-39, 1 minute and 20. Ramos, Nakwa, 1-on-1 by Basalo, Nakwa, block by Espiritu Santo. 14 to shoot, 14.
Doon si Pasalo.
10 to shoot. Foul. Foul number 12
Uy,
on the king.
try na.
Third personal foul on the king. Penalty. FX4. Now penalty.
Timeout mo ma-shoot ko lang.
49 seconds. 49.
Ayun, nag-time out. Seconds na, time out ka. Lamang pagod mo.
40 seconds. Foul. Foul on number 16 on Aqua.
16 or 19?
19 on Aqua. Third team foul. Opposite.
19?
19 on
Doki.
Duque.
Third.
Third on Duque.
Third team foul. 13 foul.
40 to 53. 40 to 53.
Sino ba nakashoot ka na? Si Seth. Ako isa.
34 seconds.
Kahit pala nga, tapay isa.
54 to 40 now. 14-point lead on FX4.
Dalawa yan, isa lang.
Ramos. Wow, in out. 22 seconds, 22. Oh, Ramos!
Last shot!
15 seconds.
Last shot!
5.
10. Short. Ball game.
Sa Manila, total na 5.
Yung mga hindi ka tagay niya, diretso.
Aran. Espiritu Santo. Basalo. 14 to shoot. 10. Foul.
Santos, 24.
Foul on Santos.
Second.
Second personal foul on Santos. First team foul on Papa Bells.
Sirtong! Pangit na nila kung nagpapapulso, hindi klaro naman.
Rebound on Balton. Oh! Balton! 44 to 54. Oh, foul. Foul on Santos. Second team foul on Papa Bells. Third personal foul on Santos.
Kailan yung 34 ba? Di mo na yan. Di mo na kaprido niya. Santos, di mo na siya. Kailan ka na
Gaduan na siya. Gaduan na siya. Gaduan na niya. Gaduan na siya. Tanawa nga yung buat picture. Tanong sa picture. Bantay ko na niya. Ha?
Nabiyaan.
Di? Bago nga niya.
Oh! Biray!
Balik ko lang sa baliton din.
54-47. Ten to shoot. Eugenio. Tumaliton. Foul.
Pero mo na yung gamit siya ano? Baliton din.
Foul on Arar. First team foul on FX4.
Second.
Second personal foul on Arar.
Parehas kayo, dalawa. Parehas dalawa.
Baliton. Yes! On Baliton! Now 5-point lead on FX4, 54 against the 49. Aran. Oh! Foul. Foul on number 1 on Eugenio.
Second.
Second on Eugenio.
Third.
Third team foul on the Papa Bells.
Basket.
7 minutes and 59 seconds.
Ba, masyado?
55 to 49. Back to 6-point lead on FX4. Baliton. Biray. Back to Baliton. Santos to Biray. Biray. Stop up 8. Biray. 10 to shoot. Rebound on Aqua. Block by Espiritu Santo.
Grabe.
Now Basalo. RR. Stop. RR page. RR now. Block by Eugenio. Nakabaliton. Tubiray. Foul. Foul on Basalo. Second team foul on FX4. First on Basalo. 6-point lead steal by FX4. 55-49. Point lead now, FX4, 55 against 50. Block by Palason. Now, Baliton. Stop up, Baliton, foul.
Dalawa.
Aaron Basalo.
Third.
Substitution.
Third team.
Third team foul, FX4. Second on Balas on Basalo. It go on to 55. Now 4-point lead on FX4.
Double foul. Double foul.
Amin bola.
Double foul. Sila mag-decision.
One more free throw on Baliton. 6 minutes and 46 seconds. Basalo. Espiritu Santo, Aral. Time out on
Kaya tanakan mo kan. Table pointer mo table.
Benching ko daw.
Sing.
Okay, nga Cesar.
Sisa kumugkuhan ka. Kamura. Magkasivsi dulu.
Eugenio. Geray. That. Santos, time to shoot. Rebound on Basalo. 6 minutes. Foul. Foul on Eugenio. Warning for penalty on Papabels.
Third personal.
Third personal foul on Eugenio. $56 to 51. Eugenio. To Santos. Yes! On Santos. 53 to 56. 3-point lead now. FX4. 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Wow! Basalo!
Tao na. O magtao, Jobs, mapapago tayo.
Santos, 14 to shoot. Nakwa. Biray. Nice there, Baliton. Too strong. Nakwa. Short. Tap. Oh, the king. Rebound on Santos. Lee. Baliton. 4 minutes and 40.
Kulang.
Biray. Wait. Stop pump. Biray. to Baliton. Oh, turnover again by Papabels. RR skate, foul.
Santos.
Foul again on Santos. Warning on Santos. Now Papabels in penalty. Sabrep.
Yeah.
59 to 53, back to 6-point lead now on Apex 4. Basket timeout, Brett. Timeout on Papa Bills.
Parehas may isang timeout. Parehas isa-isa timeout, ha? Isa.
Paano isa?
Wala ka lang,
Tatlo kayo na.
third quarter, wala na. Wala eh.
Back to the ball game. 7-point lead now on Apex 4. 52 to 60.
Third quarter. O, dito. May isa pa daw siya.
Putra yung putra.
Purpit po yung timeout nila. Di nila ginamit. Fourth quarter na ito eh.
Biray. Baliton. Foul. Foul on Lim.
Second lim.
Second personal foul on Lim. Warning for penalty Apex 4. 2 free throw shot. Now 54 to 60.
Patanayan mo si Piray ng try.
Stop, please.
Stop. Santos out, Santos. Aral. 13.
Pressure!
Foul on ako.
Penalty. Nakwa. Tatlo pa lang na.
Third personal foul on ako. Iba by Duque. Oh, Baliton! 60 to 57, 3-point lead now.
Haras mo yan, haras mo!
On Apex 4, Basalo.
Haras mo na!
Espiritu Santo, 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot.
Nice D!
Duque.
Get the job! Penalty!
Foul on RR, 2 free throw shot, penalty.
3.
Sub.
Third personal foul.
Biar muna.
Sub.
Bray!
Giray out, giray.
Pasano, Bray?
58 to 60.
Okay, si Uno ha. Sawa sa'yo.
Bigyan nyo sa mismatch.
Now 59 to 60, 1 point lead on FX4.
Kaliwala nga na ako, kaliwala.
Bigay rin, bigay.
Foul on number 19.
Okay.
On Duque.
4 foul, okay. Four fouls, okay.
Fourth personal foul on Duque. Warning on Duque.
Hey, dagang kita free throw, isulod.
Oh, good.
Atake, penalty tayo.
Baksag!
Thrower.
Takbo.
Pumasok na rin po. Makalala, rebound.
Back to 2-point lead on FX4. 61 against 59. 2 minutes and 30 seconds.
Isa pa kami, no?
Nice pa.
Fourth to shoot. Bilang. By Espiritu Santo.
Baba!
Both teams now penalty. Both teams and penalty. Red, bola red. Kunin mo bola red. Oras na red.
4 nakuha.
2 minutes 11 seconds.
Wala pa rin nakuha.
61, 59. Fourth personal foul on Nakwa.
Nice.
62 to 40, 59. Back to 3-point lead.
Rebound, relax na.
2 minutes pa yan. Drive kick out tayo, drive kick out.
63, 59. 2 minutes.
Wala, tira na labas, ha? Mike, naisa din Mike, ha? Santos, ha?
Tatlo.
Balason.
Foul Balason. Yan.
Tingnan mo.
4 na balason.
Fourth on Balason. Warning on Balason. Fourth personal foul on Balason.
Nice, ha? Dalawa pa.
Hindi. Kailangan kasi babay pa makahanap ng libre.
Nice, ha?
Pag ginalik mo, ikaw ka dapat.
1 minute and 48 seconds.
Score, please.
Papa Balls, Papa Balls, Papa Balls.
Ayun bola.
Papa Bells, Papa Bells.
Timbola! Ito na maganda kasi pwesto yung kalaban. Ball tayo, ha? Short ball. Dali ba? Nice.
Vega.
Oh, Duque! 64 to 63 now. 1 point lead on Papa Bells.
Lapit ka dyan, lapit. Lupo na sila. Huli. Huli nyo na receive. Bola.
40 to shoot.
Tulak nyo na palabas.
Foul. Foul number 12 on 15. Penalty red, foul red.
4 fouls.
Fourth foul on the team. 1 minute and 11 seconds. 2 free throw shot on Santos.
Rocky mo siya. Okay.
Doon na lang, isa.
Time out on Power Bells. 65 to 63. 2 point lead now on Power Bells. One minute 11 seconds. 1 minute 11 seconds.
Malason.
14.
Tapat-tapat lang. Huwag kang para mo yung pang. Tulak nyo na palabas.
Huwag niyo papasukin!
Ten to shoot. Rolling variation, dropping variation. 59 seconds, 59.
Boss, di pa nagbabal ng jersey, oh. Ano na siya?
Patay oras! Patay oras! Sige, mo. Yan, yan.
40 to shoot. 45 seconds.
Shoot, dapat shoot.
10 to shoot. Oh! Balito!
Ibigay! Yan shoot yan! Wala pa!
30 seconds.
Taas na kamay! Ay na! Ay! Ay! Kapit!
15 seconds, 15. 15 seconds, 15. Left 15 seconds.
15 seconds! Hindi, 15 na.
Okay, ready! Pasa lang, pasa!
Sige, pasok.
11 seconds, 11 seconds. Penalty red, penalty.
Punta na si Jeps eh. Sabi ni Jeps kanina eh. Sabi ni Jeps. Kahit naman tayo matalo. Grabe naman. Huwag gano'n. Next quarter mo na lang, Sen. Kahit tayo matalo.
Nice day.
11 seconds, 68 to 62.
Wala nang trap, wala nang trap, wala nang trap.
69 to 63.
4 seconds!
5 seconds. Basket count, basket count. 65 to 69.